Hello, now we are showing you the first generation of LEPO's intelligent 4-in-1 bedside multi-parameter monitor equipped with AI ECG analysis technology. The 4-in-1 or 12-lead resting ECG, 8 or 12-lead dynamic ECG, ambulatory blood pressure, and standard 6-parameter plus ETCO2 monitoring. Next, let's look at the appearance of the machine right above. Power button, AC power indicator, battery status indicator, alarm reset indicator button, pause button for alarm sound, blood pressure measurement button, print button, alarm indicator, technical alarm indicator. And here is backside, handle, nameplate, equipotential ground port, AC power socket. Then, we can see the left side, Nelcor SPO2 module reserve port, CO2 module hanger. Here is right side. Printer indicator. Printer, optional. Port. Accessories. Power cord. Ground wire. ECG lead wire. Disposable electrodes. Blood pressure cuff, tracheal tube. SPO2 sensor, SPO2 extension cable. Temperature sensor, etc. Installing the monitor battery. Gently flip the base and use a screwdriver to unscrew the fixing screws on the battery cover. Connect the battery plug firmly to the battery socket on the monitor, then install the battery. Cover the battery compartment cover and screw in the retaining screw. Connecting ECG lead wires. Take out the ECG lead wire and connect it to the monitor ECG port. The other end is then attached to the disposable electrode on the patient. Connecting the SPO2 sensor. Take out the SPO2 sensor and SPO2 extension cable. Then connect it to the monitor oxygen port. Connecting the temperature sensor. Take out the temperature sensor and connect it to the monitor's body temperature connector. Connecting the blood pressure. Take the tracheal tube and blood pressure cuff and connect it to the monitor's non-invasive blood pressure port. Long press the power button 2 to 3 seconds to boot. After powering on, the monitor automatically enters the general view. The interface contains information bar, waveform area, parameter area, and status bar. The information bar is at the top. The status bar is at the bottom. The waveform and parameter areas are in the middle. Click on the patient information area to enter the patient edit screen. Or click Main Menu, Patient Management, Patient Information to enter the patient information interface. Enter your name, age or other information in the patient information screen. If not, you can also perform routine monitoring. Click the Exit icon to exit back to the main interface. Patient Management Interface. Quick Admit, Patient Information, ADT Query, Operator Management, Patient History. Alarm Management. Set the alarm conditions of various monitoring parameters. For example, alarm switch, alarm level, alarm threshold, and alarm source. Screen settings. Selection of 8 kinds of interfaces, setting of large font interface, setting and adjustment of parameter layout display, setting of hotkey layout display, setting and entering of working mode and switching of parameters, etc. Parameter settings. The display mode and various performances of each parameter can be adjusted, such as ECG, ST, QT, RESP, SPO2, TEMP, NIBP, CO2, IBP, as well as the display color of each parameter and the related setting of the timer. System settings. The network can be set up, connecting the central station, AIECG analysis system, and other wireless networks can be set up. Load configuration, mainly for loading, importing and deleting settings related to each user's behavior settings. System settings, where you can set the sound, brightness, date, time and pre-used system language of the monitor. Storage management, where you can view the device's local storage capacity and the amount of storage inserted into the U-disk and other storage devices. Version information, you can check the monitor local ID, IP address and software version information. Data review. Executable operations. In this interface you can view the trend table, trend graph, blood pressure list, all events of monitoring data, including arrhythmia events, physiological alarm events, manual events, technical alarm events and alarm logs, as well as holographic waveforms, waveform ST segment analysis, respiratory oxygenation maps and saved screenshots. Report. In this interface, you can mainly view resting ECG, dynamic ECG, and dynamic blood pressure reports downlinked from our AIECG analysis system, as well as set up and print various types of reports. Calculation tools. This interface is mainly for using and setting up the 5 calculation tools integrated in the device, and setting up the EWS system-related items. Maintenance. Input the device maintenance password to enter this interface, which is used by the manufacturer to maintain and manage the device to enter, and has nothing to do with the normal use of the device.